I wanted to have a computer with Windows 98, and I think I managed to finally pull it together. This is a Pentium 4 with 1 gig of memory and an 8 gig hard drive. And I started the process already, so I know it can start, but I just wanted to record it. And yeah, it brings back memories. So now the hard drive is formatted, but I didn't install Windows yet. So yeah, I'm going to start now by Control Alt Delete, and it will start from a CD, hopefully. And voila! How many of you remember this menu? Boot from CD-ROM and start Windows 98 setup. It loads the CD-ROM driver and some other drivers, PCI bus and stuff. Yay! Enter to set up Windows now. Yes, setup preparing install, setup now going to perform routine check on your system. This brings back memories. The screen is flickering, but there's nothing I can do about that. Hopefully in graphics mode it won't do that. Only in text mode. Yeah, now it's kind of okay, but it's still at 60 Hz. This monitor can do a lot more. Like 75, then it won't be so bad, hopefully. It's not that great. What can I do here? Whatever. That's the best I can do for now. So, welcome to Windows 98 setup. Congratulations for choosing blah blah blah, 30 to 60 minutes, depending on the speed of your computer. Okay, continue. Oh boy. C per Windows, and you could actually change this to any drive, any directory. That was yeah. And it was called a directory back then, not a folder. So yeah, C Windows. Next. Checking for available disk space. Oh boy, I forgot about this. Oh boy. You could select which components to install. All of them, or just for laptop, compacts, or the minimal set, and custom. So you could choose. Oh boy. I just pressed next. I want setup to install the most common components. Okay. Workgroup Windows 98 second edition. Establishing your location. Well, I'm here in Romania. Don't tell anyone. Start copying files, click next. Oh boy. Maybe I'll need a CD key. I don't really remember. I should need a CD key. I'll just search for it online. Now it's copying the files. Man, this brings back memories. But it didn't used to go this fast. Usually on a Pentium 2 I would be installing it on 486 Pentium 2, whatever. Really old computers. 486? Did that support Windows 98? It needs 32 megs of RAM. Well, I guess the latest versions of 482, 486. What am I saying? 486. That had 100 megahertz and it could have 32 megs of RAM. Kind of hard to get them because it would have to be 8 gigs per stick, or yeah, 4 megs, 8 megs or 4 megs per stick, depending on the slot number. Some mainboards had 8 slots, I think, memory slots. Okay, so let's search for a CD key. I'm sure Microsoft doesn't mind anymore. Okay. MMX is a trademark of Intel Corporation. Remember MMX? Multimedia extension. Oh boy. I think you could play CDs with it. And music and videos. Oh boy, those were the days when it was a new thing. And 3D graphics. And it supports Universal Serial Bus. Yay! USB. Can you imagine a computer without USB today? Nope. Nope, you can't. And all this noise, man, brings back memories. Everything spinning and loud. Oh boy. So this is a 2000 PC. It was made in 2000. So the Windows 98 should work on it still, I think. It came with Windows 2000 NT, but or Professional, sorry. But it should work if it installed okay. Should have got the CD out, but the handy menu, it asks you nicely and just, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, blinking everywhere. What can I do here? Oh boy. The magic of CRTs. I just hope I can put it to 75 hertz. That should be a lot better. But this is crap. I mean, with the naked eye I don't see any problems, but yeah, on the camera it just sucks. Maybe I should try let me see with my other phones. What? It restarted. It doesn't work? Oh boy. Well, anyway, I almost succeeded. Can you give me that? I almost installed Windows 98. So now what? Should I take out the CD? Oh, that used to be a problem. But let's start in safe mode. Let's see if it can start in safe mode. It's probably some driver issue. Yeah, so I celebrated early. I need to do some more hacking here. Oh well, but at least it was nostalgic seeing Windows 98 install. Oh boy. Oh, maybe that's all I need to start in command prompt only. Because originally I wanted this computer to have DOS. So I can play some DOS games. Okay, okay then. I think we can call this a success. I call it a success.